Hello everyone, welcome back in a video. In this video I'll show you how to select multiple categories for a listing. So let's get started and go to the admin dashboard. So hover on the site names and click on dashboard. Very first we have to enable the drag and drop form builder. That is why the old or classic listing form doesn't support this feature. Okay, let's check before enable the drag and drop form builder. So visit the website and from the right side click on this post your ad. That is why I want to add a listing. Currently it shows the old or classic form builder, and if you want to add a listing, just try it. Select a type, then select categories. You can select only one categories for a listing, but we want to select multiple categories for a listing, and unfortunately this listing form doesn't support this feature. So very first we have to enable the drag and drop form builder. So again go to the admin dashboard and hover over on classify listings and click on form builder. Navigate to the settings tab and active form builder. Click on this toggle button and update options. Then reload the page. You can see the form has been changed and currently it shows the drag and drop form builder. Now select listing type, then the category. You can see right now you can select one category, but our target was we want to select multiple categories for a listing, and really we can do it from the listing settings. So again go to the admin dashboard and navigate to the form list. Click on this form. Very first it shows basic information, listing type and categories. Categories shows here, but sometimes you can see anywhere in this form, like you can see middle or bottom, anywhere in this form. Just find this option categories, then click on it, this the pencil icon. Then that side just scroll down and you can see multi selection. This is the check box and you have to check this box. So click and check this box and save from the right top. Then again reload this page. Okay, let's try again to add a listing. So select listing type, then select categories. You can see categories are loading. Select this category, then again you can select more categories. So in this way you can select multiple categories for a listing. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress, Classima theme and Classify listing plugin.